If you're an early childhood educator in need of resources that help you build the foundational skills children need to be enthusiastic learners, stick around to discover exactly how Twinkl can meet your needs. Twinkl provides educational resources that can be used at each step of a child's learning journey. We're committed to transforming lives through education. Twinkl helps those who teach. Every state, every teacher, every child. We offer unlimited resources with new printable and digital resources added every day. And we offer unmatched quality with over 1 million teacher-created resources for all grade levels, subjects, and standards. Twinkl supports all your early childhood needs by providing fun themes. There are thousands of engaging activities that cover themes for the entire school year. We pride ourselves in producing high-quality resources in literacy, music, physical development, science, social-emotional, social studies, and more. All developed by a team of expert teachers. We also have everything you need to manage your classroom. You can find awards and certificates, bulletin boards, record keeping, calendars, routines, daily schedules, labels, family communication, rules and behaviors, and signs to keep you and your classroom organized. Play is essential in early childhood classrooms. We help you support learning through play with our dramatic play packs that help students develop language and literacy skills through fun interactions with others. Learning games that help students develop thinking skills using hands-on activities, movement activities that help students develop gross motor skills using indoor and outdoor activity cards, and social-emotional resources that help students develop emotional regulation skills using guided exercises. If you don't see what you need, you can use our Request a Resource feature, and we will have it made for you as soon as possible. Twinkl Create lets you design exactly what your classroom needs with our easy-to-use templates, fonts, and illustrations. Create your own sender signs, classroom labels, rule charts, and more to fit the specific needs of the children in your class. Twinkl also has an online community for early childhood educators to connect. The Twinkl Pre-K Facebook group shares blog posts. Stay up to date with current blogs to help support your teaching. Virtual libraries. Get themed libraries that link to YouTube read-alouds, lesson plans. Save time with done-for-you weekly activities. Free resources. Get exclusive free resources every week and giveaways. Win fun prizes. If you prefer video, check out our TikTok page for even more support. If you ever run into any problems with Twinkl, no matter where you are or when you need us, we're ready to help. We have a team that works 7 days a week, 365 days a year. We offer unlimited downloads and access to everything Twinkl has to offer for just $5 a month. Visit www.twinkl.com and get started with a free account. Let us help make teaching easier. Join today.